Namaste. In this video, we will learn how to multiply two matrices, their method and rules. Suppose we have a matrix 3 minus 1 4 0 multiplied by another matrix as 1 minus 4 2 5. Then how to multiply or what will be the product matrix of this? So the product will be always a matrix. The method says every row of first matrix has to deal with every column of second matrix. So we have to consider only rows in the first matrix and column in the second matrix while multiplying. So the first row and first column has 3 minus 1 and 1 2 elements respectively. Now how they deal with is they multiply the corresponding elements, like first element of row multiplies with first element of column, second element of row multiplies with second element of column, and then both the products are added. Now the first column is done, we move to second column and again they are multiplied similar way. First element multiplies with first element, second element multiplies with second element, and then both the products are added. Now the first row of first matrix has dealt with both the columns of second matrix. So now turn of the second row. Now again it will deal with first column of second matrix. First element multiplies with first element, second element multiplies with second element, and they are added. Now the second column, again first element multiplies with first element, then second element multiplies with second element, and then the products are added. And on simplification we get the following numbers as the product matrix. So this is the product of two matrices, 1 minus 17, 4 and minus 16. Now is it possible to multiply any matrix with any other matrix? Let us take one example. Suppose we have a rectangular matrix 1 4 3 0 2 5 multiplied by 4 minus 1 2 3, which is a square matrix. So as the method says, first row deals with first column, 1 is multiplied by 4, 4 is multiplied by 2, but there is no one to be multiplied by the 3 of the first row. So here this matrices cannot be multiplied. Mathematically they are called as non-conformable for multiplication. So what is the rule that will allow us to check whether the multiplication is possible or not? The rule says the number of columns of first matrix must be equal to number of rows in the second matrix. Here we can see that there are 3 columns in the first matrix but only 2 rows in the second matrix. So the multiplication is not possible. And how to define or how to know the order of a product matrix? Suppose we are multiplying two matrices A and B whose orders are 2 by 3 and 3 by 1. Now we know the rule that number of columns of first matrix must be equal to number of rows of second matrix, and here we have 3 each. So just ignoring that or cancelling out these 3's, the rows of product matrix will be equal to rows of first matrix. So the rows of product matrix is 2. and the column of product matrix will be equal to column of second matrix, which is 1 in this case. So this is how we obtain the order of product matrix. Thank you for learning.